How to see recently viewed posts on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the magnifying glass-like icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the magnifying glass-like icon, simply search post seen by me recently. You can scroll through it and these are the posts you have seen recently. You can also click on the filter icon at the top and then click on post you have seen and press on show results. And in that way you will find all the posts you have seen earlier in here as well. You can scroll through it and see all the posts. And this is how to see recently viewed posts on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.